National legacies of Sir Ahmadu Bello, particularly in the area of unity, leadership, education, institutional development, and industrialization.
The other part of northern Nigeria, for instance, we will and
the other tribal groups. You know, I think one thing that we say Sardauna has done his best is try to unify the various tribal and ethnic groups in this country.
A number of districts. Then when party politics came, he was appointed to represent Sokoto province. He went to the Regional House of Assembly.
I recall that Dr. Ahmadu, who was the director of Institute of Administration in Zaria and the first vice chancellor of Bello University, warned us here in this hall that we should use the biographical approach in assessing the life and legacies of Sir Ahmadu Bello. But we should not degenerate into a hagiography instead of a biography. Because much of what you hear is that Sir Ahmadu Bello was a saint. He took no wrong steps. And therefore all we need to do somewhere is to roll back time to his days and things will work out well. And when we talk about legacies, we fail to identify in concrete terms what these legacies are and how we can benefit from these legacies in terms of historical research.
He knew the north was very vulnerable. We were weak in comparison to the southern parts of the country. And he knew
it was not his family property. It is a product, is a property of the whole of northern Nigeria.
The fact that Sardauna, Sir Ahmadu Bello Sardauna, Sokoto, the premier of northern Nigeria, his vision was grounded on a pragmatic reading of Nigerian diversity. He believed in diversity. And this dual theme, identity of Sardauna, such a traditional statesmanship and modern leadership, give him a solid, it guided his principles and actions.
Justify what I say after his death, to really talk about the legacy. But since we are part and parcel of an intellectual organization,
the Minister of Education, Aliyu Makama, launched a very important document called
we have seen the time of Bello Ahmadu. You understand? What can we go? The important answer of this was what can we learn? How was appointed about her history.